Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Balea Vitamin C Konzentrat. First, always start with a clean face. Use your preferred cleanser to remove all makeup and impurities. Pat your skin completely dry. This helps the serum absorb effectively. Then, simply twist off the tip of one capsule to open it. Now, gently squeeze the entire contents of the capsule onto your fingertips. Distribute the serum evenly across your face and neck. Use gentle, upward circular motions to massage it into your skin until it feels completely absorbed. This ensures the vitamin C penetrates deeply for maximum benefit. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: just like your skin deserves the best, so do your feet. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For best results, use one capsule daily, ideally in the morning. After the serum has absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer and always apply a broad-spectrum SPF. Consistent use helps achieve brighter, more radiant skin and can improve overall skin tone and texture over time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.